23%. That was the open rate of my last email newsletter that I sent using ActiveCampaign. It sucks to spend hours perfecting the perfect email newsletter just for it never to be seen. 53%. That is the open rate of one of my most recent newsletters that I sent using Flowdesk. Since the beginning of 2020, I've really focused my attention on how to get more people to open my emails, and I want to share with you what I've learned so that you can get more people opening your emails. Getting more people to open your emails actually starts before you ever send an email campaign. Segmenting your list is going to help you send your emails to people who actually care. So for an example, let's say you are an event planner. Now, event planners work with brides and grooms, corporate events, influencers, and if I send an email to my entire list talking about how to create a surprise engagement, not everybody on that list is going to care. So if you can segment your list and send more personalized emails based on what the subscriber has shown interest in, then more people are going to open, read, and engage with your emails. So now that you have segmenting down, you're ready to send your first newsletter. And the first thing that you have to do is create a slam dunk subject line. 35% of email recipients open an email solely based on the subject line alone. Now, people seem to do this really well on Instagram, but forget this whenever it comes to email marketing. So you know how on Instagram you can only see so many characters and then you have to hit the read more button to see the entire caption? Think of your email subject line as that first few characters within a post. Lead with your juiciest info or your biggest takeaway. Don't save it for the email itself, because then people are not going to be enticed to open the email, and it doesn't matter what your email says at all. The third tip to getting more people to open up your emails is to show up consistently. So go ahead, hit the thumbs up if you've ever heard the phrase consistency is key, because I know I have heard it so many times, and no surprise here, it's true whenever it comes to your email marketing. So whenever all of this virus stuff started breaking out and we were getting emails left and right from brands, I unsubscribed to countless brands because that was the first time that I was hearing from them in months. I'm pretty sure a few brands, like, I didn't even know who they were because I hadn't remembered the last time I interacted with them. Don't let that be you. Show up in your audience's inboxes consistently, not just whenever you're promoting a paid offer. Now, I share my insider marketing tips with people every single Tuesday, so they know every single Tuesday to look in their inbox because I'm showing up. And shameless plug, you can sign up for my newsletter list in the comments below. I'll link to that. But consistency is different for everybody. I know a lot of photographers who only show up once a month. Whatever that looks like for you, share it so that whenever people sign up, they know what to expect, whether that's once a month or once a week. And then show up. Another reason why people aren't opening up your emails is because they aren't receiving them. Now, most people use Gmail to check their email, and Gmail kind of uses its own set of rules to decide if your email lands in somebody's primary folder or their promotionals folder. So if you want more people to open your emails, there are a couple things that you can do. The first thing, and this one is super hard, but only include one link. I know it's really hard. You want to send like multiple links whenever you send out an email newsletter, but if you do that, you're more likely to show up in the promotionals tab. Now, if you use Flowdesk, be sure to go into your account and authenticate your domain. Authenticating your domain really increases your deliverability and substantially tells clients that, hey, you know, your email, this is from the person that says that it is sending it, that you really are you. So you're more likely to end up in the inbox. Now, finally, go through and filter out email addresses from people who are no longer active on your list. Which I know it hurts to go in there and delete and see subscriber count go down, but this is really going to help keep your email list healthy, which impacts where your emails land inside inboxes. Now, what I like to do is try and revive those subscribers. So before I permanently delete them, I will filter out who has not been active in the last 6 months. And I will send them one last email saying, hey, I noticed you haven't been active. Reply to this email if you want to stay on the list, or click this link. If not, then you're going to be deleted in a week. That will give them one last chance to become become an active member on your list again. In the end, the number of subscribers doesn't mean crap if they aren't opening and reading your emails. So comment below if you have any other marketing ideas, episodes, or questions. If you haven't subscribed, this is your opportunity to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because liking, commenting, and subscribing to these videos in this channel really helps my channel grow, and so that this content can get out to more people and I can help create really good content for you each week. All right, so stick around for next episode. That sucks. So stick around for the next episode.